Hello, Assalamualaikum. This is the project of our BAQ Smart Garden. Okay, we have here water sensor. Water sensor is used to detect whether there is any water inside the tank that will be used to irrigate the plant. And then we have LM35 to measure the temperature. And after that, we have a soil moisture sensor. Soil moisture sensor is used to measure the soil moisture. Okay, before we run our system, you need to, okay, this is the coding. We need to run the coding, and then we need to load the file inside the Arduino. This is the address for the loaded file. Okay, first you need to load. Okay, this is the file. We load here. And then we run the system. Okay. As you can see, this temperature it show 46, but this value of the LM35 show 38. I don't know what's wrong with this. Maybe it's coding, so just never mind. Because I just use this LM35 for the monitor system only to measure the temperature only, and it is not involved in the system either. Okay, as you can see, the water sensor inside there is water in the tank, so only after that the soil moisture sensor detect that the soil is dry, so it will use the water inside the tank to pump the system. As you can see, this is the output if the pump is on. I just connect this as as I let it blank here. I connect the output to the relay actually, but I don't connect to the pump. So I just let it blank here, and I just use this to as an indicator. Okay. If we want to adjust the, okay, see this. I adjust the voltage for the pump is on. So I adjust the system so that it will show the soggy side. If the soggy side, pump will turn off. Okay, as you can see, the pump is off and it shows soggy side. Okay, and then if the sensor detect no water inside the tank, it will send the signal impulse to the Arduino, and the sounder, the beep sound will come out. Okay, first we adjust this. Zero. Okay, as you can see, the sounder, the buzzer will form. The buzzer will turn on and give a warning alarm to determine that the water inside tank is lower and the water irrigation cannot be used. Okay, that's all from me. Okay, this is the coding used. First, we compile the coding, verify. We select the in this. We select the port 3 COM Arduino. Okay, and then we upload it to the Arduino Uno. Okay, the data has been transferred to this Arduino. Okay, as you can see, this LED display is flashing. It keeps flashing, show that there is no water inside the water tank. If I dip this water sensor inside the water tank, as you can see, it stopped flashing. It detect the presence of the water. Okay, now for the soil moisture, I use this wet tissue, place on this. Unfortunately, my LCD display has been burned. I have tested using the multimeter, but it has been burned. Okay, thank you. Okay, this is the hardware version. As you can see, this is a water sensor used to sense the presence of water in the tank. And then we have soil moisture sensor used to measure the moisture of the soil. And this is the LED for showing as an indicator for the water sensor. If there is no water inside the tank, the LED will light up and glow and keep flashing. Okay, next.